And the only way to free up your import is to really move around and allow him to move within the shaded area. So you cannot afford to do a post-up move, because once you do that entry pass, there is that blind side double coming from the import of Ginebra.
Here's Noel. Cyrus Baguio is now in the game. Baguio to Tubid. Tubid from the corner. And he overshoots. And Norwood saves the ball for the Elastopinners. Lewis has that shot. And he missed it. A nice box out there by Mamaril. So it's still a 23-12 ball game in favor of Ginebra as we approach the last 4 minutes of the opening quarter. Here's Artadi on the right side. Artadi with a pull-up. Here's Norwood against fellow national player Cyrus Baguio. And here's Isip against Mamaril. Mamaril with a health advantage. Isip almost lost the ball, and he needs help, and he eventually loses it. Here comes Baguio with under 4 minutes remaining in the first. Noel inside Mamaril. A sorry miss for Mamaril. Here's T.Y. Tang, and he scans the floor. Tight pass there, intended for Isip, and Rainer Shine fortunate to be keeping this basketball.
You know, Miko, all the 12 points of Rainer Shine coming from the three-point range. Those are 4 3-point baskets. They have to look for a player who can actually slash inside and go for that drive.
And perhaps that's the reason why Ryan Aranya has been dispatched to the court to replace Jare Ibanez. Nice inbound play there for Rainer Shine, but Rafi Rivas distracting the offense. And here's Tubid. Baguio hesitates and sends it back to Tubid. And Artadi says, okay, let's take a timeout. Pag-usapan nga natin na mabuti to. Hindi ko alam anong plano nyo eh. 3:09 remaining here. And we'll take this timeout. Back with more opening quarter action in a moment.
This timeout is brought to you by Motolite.